all the town, brother.
Hand them over.
People come from as far as Dodge City to try my water. Actually, clean water back in the day. It was kind of a...
Yeah, it's a big deal.
Remember Back to the Future, like, would you like some water? And it's like the brown mud and grass floating in it.
Would you like some water?
Yeah.
Fatal mistake, idiot. Hey, brother. Go get a sarsaparilla with me. Oh, shit. Someone kicked it off.
Hey, what's up, guys? Dials 46. We got a chance to play at Tulsa Airsoft's outdoor field. Now, they play out there about once a month, and they've been adding some new additions, some new structures and buildings to their outdoor field. This is going to be kind of a Wild West themed town. Now, they're just getting started, so expect much more in the near future. What they do have built up plays very well. It's a lot of fun. It's going to be in this open clearing surrounded by woods all around. We know that the Wild West town is going to be an objective for the enemy team. We decided to go ahead and bunker down. We start looking into the areas that we've already seen some enemies kind of probe. They're checking our perimeter. We have some friendlies that fall back through the wood line coming back towards us. Take some shots at him. Look how close I got to this guy. I just wanted to share it because, wow. Very lucky that I didn't smoke a friendly. I'm not a good teammate, guys. So aside from almost smoking friendly forces, there actually are enemy players moving through the woods right now. We're actually going to be on the outside of that building there. You'll kind of see me doing some grazing fire. You're not going to be able to really see what I'm shooting at, but right now we're just trying to keep them at bay because we're getting reports from all the buildings all around us from friendly forces that enemy are surrounding us. Basically, we're just trying to prolong the inevitable at this point. Quick side note, it looks like I'm overhopped and that my BBs are arcing up, and that's just going to be kind of a trick of the camera angle. I'm actually using an under barrel mounted camera, and it's kind of a trick on the eyes. Just know that it is actually set. The hop up is pretty flat. I will never do under barrel zoom cam again.
I can hear him, but I can't see him.
So it quickly becomes apparent that the enemy forces are mobilizing their entire team to strike the objective, the town that we're in, and capture it. They're coming from here, 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 and here, and they're going to destroy us. And these guys down to the south that are friendly, they're going to die too. So without further ado, let's check out this show.
On the right!
Oh, here we go.
Punching right!
Keep on shooting, guys. Don't let off. Hey, I gotta reload, guys.
Watch that window.
Watch this window out here. Don't let them run up on us. Make sure you shoot them multiple times. They're having problems. Eric, you got that high cap?
They're looking at the window on the right.
Watch that window.
Gotcha. Watch out, buddy. He's down.
Dials 46 Airsoft Mindset Dojo.
Right there, watch out, watch out. Get the other window, kid, get the window right there. Right there.
They took the bar, they're gonna push us!
Got him.
Reloading. got any extra mags?
Down, he's down.
Got any mags?
Guys, we're gonna be running off foot.
That's part of
How you doing over there, buddy? You okay?
All right.
Don't let him get by
Close
you.
it up, bro. You're doing good.
Fuck, I shouldn't have left you over here.
Good, bro. You're really doing good.
Watch out! Right through the window!
I know, I'm trying. Ah, hit. Oh.
Dad!
Lo siento, little amigo. Bios con Dios. Hey, if you guys like that video, make sure you like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for notifications of new videos. Thanks for watching.